Hi, it's Scotty. She buys cars. So admit it, you need luxury. Okay, you don't need luxury, but you'd like to have luxury. A comfortable ride, leather seats, a great sound system, lots of amenities, great tech features. Well, today we took a test drive in a really great luxury car, the Hyundai Genesis. The Genesis is notable on the outside from the very beginning for its design, what they call fluid design, lines that are designed to give you the feeling of motion and fluid, and you can see the aerodynamics in it before you even put your foot against the pedal. We love the panoramic sunroof and the white leather interior in this model because white leather interior makes you look really good. The 7-inch touchscreen is at the top of the console. You have climate control and radio controls there. There's a USB and 2 charge ports and an auxiliary port. The gear shift, and then you have this toggle control. By clicking home, here are all the things you can do, including connecting apps.